Hello friends, welcome to the lecture series. Today we are going to solve questions on linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. So given that d square plus 3dd dash plus 2d dash square multiplied by z is equal to e to the power x into cos of hy. Now we have two terms are in multiplication. So first thing is find out right hand side and left hand side both are present, means solution is CF plus PI. So first we try to find out CF. Now first replace d by m and d dash by 1 and write down auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. What are the roots of this equation? It is m plus 2, m plus 1 is equal to 0. So values of m are m is equal to minus 1 minus 2. Now minus 1 minus 2 means roots are different. So how to write CF? CF can be written as f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y minus 2x. Instead of f1 and f2 you can write phi1, phi2, y. So you can choose any arbitrary function, no problem. Next, particular integral is 1 upon d square, don't write this in m, d square plus 3d d dash plus 2d dash square multiplied by e to the power x into cos of hy. Okay, now which case we want to use here? First exponential into some function, that case we have multiplication of two function, but that phi of xy is for trigonometric term or for polynomial term, but here trigonometric term is hyperbolic cosine. So for hyperbolic cosine we don't have any case, so that's why we first try to convert this into exponential term. What is the formula for cos of hy? Cos hy, it is equal to e to the power y plus e to the power minus y divided by 2. So use this formula here. It is 1 upon d square plus 3dd dash plus 2d dash square multiplied by e to the power x into e to the power y plus e to the power minus y divided by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 is constant term, we can write outside 1 upon d square plus 3dd dash plus 2d dash square multiplied by e to the power x into e to the power y, it is e to the power x plus y plus e to the power x minus y. Now we have two terms, so we have to separate this term of d for both the terms. It is equal to 1 by 2 times d square plus 3dd dash plus 2d dash square multiplied by e to the power x plus y. This is first term, plus 1 upon d square plus 3dd dash plus 2d dash square multiplied by e to the power x minus y. Now see, to simplify it further, we can use exponential case, and exponential case is our first case. So what is that case? Replace d by a is here 1 and d dash by b is also 1. So here replace in first part d by 1 and d dash by 1. In second part replace d by 1 and d dash by minus 1. So use this replacement to get the answer. It is 1 by 2 times 1 upon d square is 1 square 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 plus 2 multiplied by 1 square is 1. So e to the power x plus y plus 1 upon d square is 1 plus 3d into d dash, so it become minus 3 plus 2d dash square, so plus 2 minus 1 square is plus 1 multiplied by e to the power x minus y. Now check it whether you are getting answer or not. It is 1 by 2 times e to the power x plus y divided by 6 plus e to the power this denominator get cancelled, 3 minus 3 means here case fail. If case fail, we multiply it by x and find out derivative of denominator. So it is 1 by 2 times e to the power x plus y divided by 6 plus derivative of denominator with respect to d. So multiply it by x divided by derivative is 2d plus 3 derivative of 3d dash with respect to d is 3d dash plus derivative of 2d dash square with respect to d is 0 multiplied by e to the power x minus y. Now simplify it further. It is equal to 1 by 2 times e to the power x plus y divided by 6 plus x divided by, replace again, same replacement will be there, d by 1 and d dash by minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by e to the power x minus y. So finally we get it is equal to 1 upon 2 as it is, e to the power x plus y divided by 6 as it is, plus x multiplied by minus 3 plus 2, it become minus 1 multiplied by e to the power x minus y. So this is equal to e to the power x plus y divided by 12 minus x into e to the power x minus y divided by 2. So this is our particular integral. Now how to write complete solution? Complete solution is z, and z is equal to CF plus PI. So this is equal to CF is f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y minus 2x, f2 of y minus 2x plus e to the power x plus y divided by 16 minus x into e to the power x minus y divided by 2. So this is the final solution for the given differential equation. Next question is solve del 2 z by del x square plus del 2 z by del y square is equal to cos 2x into cos 3y. So first write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is equal to m square plus 1 is equal to 0 because we replace d by m and d dash by 1. And here first we have to write this in terms of d and d dash. So before this step we write one more step here. D square plus d dash square multiplied by z is equal to cos of 2x multiplied by cos 3y, because d is equal to del by del x and d dash is equal to del by del y. D dash is equal to del by del y. So find out now auxiliary equation. So replace d by m and d dash by 1. So auxiliary equation become m square plus 1 is equal to 0. M square plus 1 is equal to 0 means m square is equal to minus 1. M is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1, which is plus minus I. Now we get imaginary roots, but for imaginary roots also writing method is same. So CF become f1 of y plus m1x. m1 is here plus I and m2 is here minus I. So y plus ix, and second f2 of y minus ix. So this is the writing method. Next pi. Pi is equal to 1 upon d square plus d dash square multiplied by cos 2x into cos of 3y. Now see here we have again trigonometric term, but it is a multiplication of two functions, cos 2x into cos 3y. So first we have to convert it into standard form, and after that we can evaluate it further. So what is the formula for cos A into cos B? It is 1 upon d square plus d dash square multiplied by cos A into cos B is cos of A plus B, that is 2x plus 3y, plus cos of A minus B, that is 2x minus 3y. So this is we have two term and now it is in standard form. Trigonometric case we can use here. So it is equal to 1 upon d square plus d dash square multiplied by cos of 2x plus 3y plus 1 upon d square plus d dash square multiplied by cos of 2x minus 3y. Now operate this. What is trigonometric case? Replace d square by minus a square, d dash square by minus of b square, and there is no d into d dash sum, so no need to find out. Now what is the replacement in first part? D square by minus of a square. So minus remain as it is. A value is coefficient of x, so it is 2. 2 square is 4. Then d dash square replaced by minus of b square. So minus as it is, 3 square is 9. So replace d square by minus 4 and d dash square by minus 9. Similarly here replace d square by 2 square, that is minus of 4, and d dash square by minus of minus 3 square. So it is again minus 9. So use this replacement to solve it further. It is equal to this is particular integral is equal to 1 upon 2, 1 by 2. Here we have in formula it is 1 by 2, so it is divided by 2 also. So you can take this 1 by 2 outside from this and it is 1 by 2 times. So 1 by 2 times 1 upon, replace d square by minus 4 and d dash square by minus 9 cos of 2x plus 3y plus 1 upon minus 4 minus 9 multiplied by cos of 2x minus 3y. Now case does not get failure here. Answer is minus of 9 minus of 4, it is minus of 13. So if we take minus 13 common from both, we will get minus of 1 upon minus of minus 13 into 2, it is 26 multiplied by cos of 2x plus 3y plus cos of 2x minus 3y. Now you can simplify it further. Cos of a plus b, c plus d plus cos of c minus d, it is equal to minus 1 by 26 times 2 times cos of c plus d and c minus d. So it is equal to adding both the bracket divided by 2. So 2x plus 3y plus 2x minus 3y means 4x divided by 2 multiplied by cos of minus, subtract it now, 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 3y. So it is 6y divided by 2. So this is equal to minus 1 by 26, 2 by 26, instead of we can write cos of 2x into cos of 3x, 3y, not 3x. So 2 times minus 2 by 26 is minus 1 by 13 cos of 2x into cos of 3y. So this is the particular integral. Now finally write CF plus PI. So Z is equal to CF plus PI. So Z is equal to CF value we get F1 of y plus Ix plus F2 of y minus Ix plus minus 1 by 13 times cos 2x multiplied by cos 3y. So this is all about the second case. So in this way you can solve questions if it is multiplied by cos into cos or sine into cos or cos into sine or sine into sine. So that type of question you can solve by using this method. Now next question is solve d square minus 2dd dash plus 2d dash square into z is equal to x square y square. How to solve this question? First, already it is given in terms of d and d dash, so convert it, write down auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 2, it is equal to 0. If it is m square minus 2m plus 2, directly we will not get factor here, so we find out factors. M is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 2 square is 4 minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here values of ABC are 1 minus 2 and C is 2. So simplify it, it is 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 means minus 4 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 plus minus square root of minus 4 is 2i divided by 2. So cancel out 2 with numerator and denominator, we get 1 plus minus I. Now m value we obtained it as 1 plus minus I, but we know that there are two different root, 1 plus I and 1 minus I. So writing method for CF is same. Y is equal to f1 of 1 y plus 1 plus I into x plus f2 of y plus 1 minus I into x. Then write down particular integral. This is x cube multiplied by y. Then particular integral is 1 upon d square minus 2dd dash plus 2d dash square multiplied by x cube into y. So simplify it further. Now what is the power of x? X power is 2, 3 and y power is 1. So here m is greater than n. M is greater than n means we have to take d common. Taking d common, you will get d dash by d form. So particular integral become 1 upon taking d common. So which is the highest power of d here? D square. So taking highest power of d common. D square common, it is 1 minus 2d dash by d plus 2d dash square by d square multiplied by x cube multiplied by y. Okay, so shift this bracket in numerator, or directly you can use that formula, which is 1 upon 1 minus 1 plus z. It is equal to 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube and so on. Or 1 upon 1 minus z. It is equal to 1 plus z square plus z cube and so on. So you can directly use this result here. It is 1 by d square times 1 upon 1 upon 1 minus 2d. So we can write it as minus common 2d dash by d minus 2d dash square by d square, and we can write like this multiplied by x cube into y. X cube into y. So how to operate this? It is in the form of 1 minus z. 1 minus z means all powers of z are plus and increasing power of z will be there. So it is equal to 1 upon d square in bracket 1 plus 2d dash by d minus 2d dash square by d square plus 2d dash by d minus 2d dash square by d square whole square and so on multiplied by x cube into y. Okay, so this is 1 upon d square as it is. Now what is the power of x cube? It is 3 and power of y is 1. So we observe here now power of y, because in numerator we have d dash. So observe power of y and it is 1. So we want term up to power of d dash equal to 1, not more than that. So it is 1 plus. Second term we want, which is 2d dash by d. But third term is square. Then if we find out bracket square, all term becomes square. So we don't want remaining term. So we neglect it and multiplied by x cube multiplied by y. So remember, observe power of d dash with for y, and y power is here 1. So d dash power must be 1. It is 1 upon d square into multiply whole bracket by x cube into y plus 2 by d dash of x cube into y. So it is equal to 1 upon d square as it is, x cube multiplied by y plus 2 by d. What is derivative of x cube into y? It is only x cube outside. Derivative of y is 1 with respect to y. So this is the term 2 by d into x cube. Now we simplify 1 by 1. 1 by d square times x cube into y plus 2 times 1 by d is integration of x cube, and integration of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4. X to the power 4 by 4. So this is equal to 1 upon d square of x cube into y plus 1 by 2 times 1 upon d square of x to the power 4. Now simplify it. 1 by d square means double integration of x cube with respect to x. So it is x to the power 4 by 4 and x to the power 5 by 5. So it is 4 into 5 x to the power 5 into y. Directly I have find out here, plus 1 by 2 times. Now x to the power 4 become 5 and 5 becomes 6. So x to the power 6. So it is 5 multiplied by 6. So this is equal to y into x to the power 5 divided by 20 plus x to the power 6 divided by 60. This is the value of pi. Now to get the final solution we can write it as z is equal to CF plus PI. So you can substitute here CF and PI to get the final answer. Thank you.